In this example, we're going to create a graph using Excel. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold down with the mouse and select the items column here. Now at the same time, I'm going to hold down the control key on the keyboard now, and I'm going to click in the total profit, hold down with the mouse and drag down to the bottom. Now once you've done that, you can leave go of both the mouse and the keyboard. What you should find is that both of these columns should now be selected. What we then need to do to insert a graph is click on the Insert tab at the top, and then you will see there's a number of charts available. If you click the recommended charts, this will give you a quick preview to show you of what your graph may look like. If you don't like any of the graphs on display, there's another tab at the top which says All Charts, and this will show you a greater number of charts and a greater number of customizations. Once you are happy with the chart that you like, you can simply select the OK button at the bottom. Now what this does is it puts the chart in the Excel document, so I'm just going to move it to the side for a second and make it ever so slightly bigger. You can modify this chart in a number of ways. There's preset chart styles at the top, and if you click on one of them, you can see very quickly it'll change the style of your chart for you. If you wish to change the title, simply click on it and then you can type. If you wish to add anything like labels to your chart, click on Add Chart Element, which is on the left hand side, scroll down to Data Labels and then click on either option. Now at the moment mine's set to none, so I'm going to click on Show just to show you what it does. And as you can see, it's put the data labels around. If I didn't want them around, I could then use a call out instead, and then they'll be a little bit more readable. You may want to change some of the design elements of this. You can by clicking on the background, for example. We can then click on the Format tab, and then you'll have ultimate control over any of the backgrounds that you want to use. If you wanted to add in anything else, you can simply return to the design by clicking the Design tab on the top and then choosing any one of the menu options which is on the top here. If you didn't like this chart anymore and you wanted to change the type of chart, simply click on the button that says Change Chart Type on the top, and then this will bring you back into the menu that you were in earlier, and then you can choose another type of chart as an example. When you click OK, the data will stay the same, and hopefully any formatting that you've added will also remain on your chart.